How to post a service on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can post a service on Facebook Marketplace. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to post a service on Facebook Marketplace, simply go ahead and open up the Facebook first, then head over to the Marketplace tab. Once you're here, you'll see the sell option right there at the top. You want to tap on sell option now. And once you tap on sell, you want to create a new listing. So you can select whether you want to add items to sell, vehicles or properties for sell or rent. So I'll just tap items now. Once you have selected items, you want to go ahead and add photos here. And once you add photo, you can select the title, the name, and then add the price here and then select the category. Once you select the category, you can add in description of the object, and you can select whether you want to hide from friends or list in more places, and then simply tap on publish, and this way you will be able to post a service on Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video helped. Like and subscribe.